we are giving you customized diet plans and providing you customized diet meals which are covered in a manner which is taking care of all your fitness needs. Your workouts are customized, your meals are customized, and so we are 80% of your fitness needs are taken care of. The rest 20% is rest, which is basically upon our clients, which we advise them to take care of.
It's called Fitzville, and I think it's a really cool name because Fitzville basically stands for a fit village. Ville ko French mein village bolte hain. So basically I really like Abid's choice for the name. Another really cool thing here is that they have an ice bath. I've never tried it, तो मैं ये try करना चाहूँगी because steam और sauna अपनी skin को hydrate करता है और मुझे dehydrate नहीं होना, तो an ice bath actually hydrates, sorry, not dehydrate. So I'm looking forward.
I'm very happy and very excited because yes, I'm lot more into fitness and it's part of my routine every day, and anything which comes up with fitness, it always attracts me, and this specifically attracts me more because this is 24/7. Because basically what happens is we have a very tight schedule and sometimes we go in the morning, late nights or something, but this gym is 24 hours and that is the add-on to it because it's wonderful. So anytime you get a time, you can just pick up your gym kit and just come and work out.
आज फिक्स विले जिम में मैंने बहुत सारी एक्सरसाइज करी एंड इस जिम का ओपनिंग किया है। बहुत सारे लोग आए यहाँ पे। नया फोर बंगलो में नया जिम ओपन हुआ है। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा जिम। इक्विपमेंट जो है स्पेशली बहुत अच्छे हैं और डेफिनेटली मैं तो यहाँ पे आने वाली हूँ फिक्स विले जिम में। एंड जुम्बा है यहाँ पे, मैं डांस बहुत करती हूँ। योगा है, बॉडी कॉम्पैक्ट जिसको कहते हैं, ग्रुप एक्सरसाइज और अच्छे इक्विपमेंट है। तो मुझे लगता है इट्स वेरी नाइस जिम, आई लाइक इट।
Very interesting thing about him is he was once 80 kgs and was really healthy and fat and he didn't look that healthy at all, and he took up this challenge of losing weight and looking fit, and trust me, he's looking excellent and he's looking absolutely fit. He got inspired and he wanted to inspire more people to work out and be fit, so इसीलिए आज उन्होंने यहाँ पे he's worked towards opening this gym and we are at this opening. So I wish Abid Hassan all the very best. I'm supporting Fitzville, and I hope you all too do come and join in here for 24 hours gym workout service.
But this is very nice. I like the concept. 3 floor पे आप ऊपर नीचे करोगे तो वैसे आपका वर्कआउट हो जाने वाला है. So you can't run away from the workout. Like आप आए हो, आप कुछ भी नहीं करोगे तो भी आप वर्कआउट करोगे. And I like the concept. It's very different and he made it very basic. And that's what I like. जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा fancy होता है ना, फिर वो workout नहीं होता है, फिर हम आपको checkout करते रहते हैं हम लोग सब लोग. So very nice, all the best.
It's taken care of each and every corner. सब जगह पे और बहुत अच्छे से align किया है. Like for every workout there's like in a different floor and divided very nicely, made it very nicely, and all the equipments are there. So you guys, whoever is watching and nearby, if you stay, you should come and join Fitzville.
24 घंटे खुला है, it's very good.
हाँ, बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि 24 घंटे खुला है. क्या होता है, सेलिब्रिटीज़ खासकर उनके साथ प्रॉब्लम ये होती है, शूटिंग आवर्स बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है जिम को मैनेज करना. तो शूटिंग आवर्स ऐसे ऑड होते हैं, कभी कभार 10 बजे, 11 बजे, 12 बजे पैकअप होता है, और उसके बाद अगर वो वर्कआउट नहीं करे, दे डोंट फील गुड बिकॉज उनको टीवी में अच्छा दिखना है या फिल्म में अच्छा दिखना है. सो फॉर देम दिस इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेस अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, जहाँ 24 आवर फैसिलिटी.
No, sometimes you get bored in the night, नींद नहीं आती, तो at least you know where to go.
और कुछ नहीं तो जिम ही कर लो.
देखिए, जैसे there is one workout that we gonna bring which is capoeira. Capoeira probably There is nowhere, in Lokhandwala or probably in the near vicinity, there is no gym which offers capoeira. Capoeira is like in Brazilian mixed martial arts, so we're gonna bring, that's an idea that we are planning to bring here. Then we have Les Mills workout. Les Mills workout, there are very few gyms which offers Les Mills workout that will burn your calories much faster than you think. So that is one good part about it. We have huge space for everything, so there is room for everybody. And the best part is that, fitness people, the people who love
Hi, this is Smita Gondkar. I wish Fitzwill a very, very, very happy journey ahead. We are launching today, so I wish you all the very best.
Hi, I'm Raki Sawant and I'm into Fitzwilla Gym. So I like to all the best and congratulations. I'm going to work out here. Yes, definitely yes. And I want to invite all of you. Come over, we'll work out together.
Hi all, this is Umesh Firwani here, and I'm here at the inauguration of another wonderful fitness place, Fitzwill. I love the place. It's got 4 floors of absolute amazing equipment for workouts and to get fit. So if you are thinking about taking that next step to work out, then this is a place that you should definitely consider, and this is the right place to start. I work out here. Where do you work out? Fitzwill.
Hi there, this is Shweta here, and I'm going to wish Fitzwill all the very best. It's a damn neat place. It's like a place where you can just go, work out, have a lot of fun. You don't have to care about anything. So just lose those extra weight here.
Hi, my name is Marika Johansson, and I was invited here by Abid. We are running Marika's Healthy Kitchen, so we are going to have some meals here for him in the future of the gym. And I'm really happy to see a gym like this. It's very well done. It gives you an atmosphere that you want to sweat and train hard. All the equipment is superb, and I'm going to come here from tomorrow. It's awesome. Good luck, Abid.